Good morning. Sort of a good morning. Well, we're getting the old girl hauled out of the water. Yeah, we're in Solomon's Island. Well, it's come to my attention that it's time to get this boat out of the water and let's find some of these leaks because this thing is sinking. The bilge pump in the port hull is coming on almost, well, 4, maybe 5 times a day. I'd guess it's pumping out, maybe 30 gallons of water a day at least. And the starboard hull is only leaking when we're offshore. I think it's probably a seal on the rudder, but I'm not really sure. So we're getting the boat pulled, and I see the buildup of algae on the bottom of the boat. Doesn't look too bad. The boat's been in the water for a year, and I've seen much worse. So these guys are going to pull it out and get it sprayed off. Now the idea here is we're going to try to get the boat out of the water, 2 or 3 things repaired, back in the water, all in the same day. We'll see if we can do it. You're fine. You got lucky. Might have had an offshore strike on this hull right here when we were out in the ocean. We're about 200 miles out. So I'm looking for damage, but I don't see it. Yeah, on this one somewhere, but I don't see it right off. Huh. Nice. Yeah. Oh yeah. Maybe. Maybe.
You only got one link. Yep, that's it. I mean, if you're willing to turn the nuts and everything each time too, but that's not any faster.
Right. No, that isn't any faster. This is how you change a cutlass bearing when you have the right tool for it. Sweet. Totally sweet. You don't have to pull the shaft. One of the things I thought was, I know there was some play in that cutlass bearing, but also those sharp teeth were loose. We had gotten a line tied around the prop shaft, and that had caused it to be loose, and it was also rattling, making noise. Right there at where the rudder meets the bottom of the boat, it actually acts like a piston as you're going through rough water. It's actually pumping water. The rudder has enough play to pump water up into the boat when the back of the boat is going up and down extravagantly. I really don't know what I can do to get it to stop doing that. It's something that we may have to live with. I didn't find any structural fiberglass damage. I saw some definite areas where we had made contact with things, but I can't say for sure I found where the impact might have been on the starboard hull. This is the shaft seal that was leaking. It's a one-piece Volvo seal, and it had deteriorated, so we replaced both shaft seals while we had the boat out of the water. So a lot of the fiberglass work I had to do to support that seal because the fiberglass had collapsed below it. And so I was able to fix that while they waited for me to do that. And I wasn't able to take a lot of video or photo because they had me in there working. It was hot and sweaty work, but we got her done. Okay, out and in the water in one day. How about that?
Now we gotta pray there's no leaks.
What?
Now we gotta pray there's no leaks.
Yeah,
right?
that's right. No leaks.
Right.
No leaky.
So how did your stuffing box repair turn out? All right?
Yeah, I think so.
You
Yeah.
put 2 layers or 1?
One.
One. I didn't think you were gonna be able to put 2 on it.
No, it was just not. There was not enough room there.
I know, to get another one on. I figured
Yeah.
that. Well, one's plenty. So that's pretty thick glass. You know what I mean? It's not like that boat.